Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Valorant getting stuck on updating, checking file size.
Fix 1. Run as administrator. Step 1. Close Valorant and Riot Client completely. Step 2. Right-click the Valorant shortcut, select Run as administrator. Step 3. Try updating again. Fix 2. Restart Riot Vanguard. Step 1. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape, open Task Manager. Step 2. Find Riot Vanguard. Right-click in Task. Step 3. Relaunch Valorant and let it update. Fix 3. Clear Riot Games temporary files. Step 1. Press Windows plus R, type %local appdata %\Riot Games, press Enter. Step 2. Delete the Riot Client and Valorant folders inside. Step 3. Restart the Riot Client and update Valorant. Fix 4. Disable VPN/proxy/antivirus. Step 1. Turn off any VPN or proxy. Step 2. Temporarily disable antivirus or firewall. Step 3. Launch Valorant and check if it updates.